What's good, baby? It's your boy Easy. Let's see what we got here today. Sour Patches, the candy. And Sour Patches, the cereal. Some of y'all may know where this is going, and some of y'all may not know where this is going, but I got a treat for y'all today. And then we right here, the cereal that just came out brand new. Haven't had it yet. I don't know what to expect, so I'm about to review this, give y'all my honest opinion on it. We gonna go from there. But another thing y'all may not know that I was gonna do this video, it's actually something weird. I'm gonna try these with milk. It wasn't my idea, but I feel like I just wanna do a comparison, so why not? So we gonna get through this together. Let's do it. All right. So first, we got the box, Post cereal. What was Post thinking? What the hell was they thinking? Making Sour Patch cereal. But yeah, this shit weird. 140 calories a serving. I'm sure y'all don't want to hear all this, but yeah. Shit on the back. This is basically what's on every other cereal box. But yeah, let's get into it. Y'all didn't come here to hear me talk. Y'all came for that action. But y'all came for that action. So let's get into it. I'm trying to see if it had like a distinct smell before I open the pack, so I can't smell nothing yet, so. Oh yeah, that's sour, I can smell it. Low key, I'm gonna take the bag out so y'all can see what these look like. It look like regular cereal, honestly. It smells like Fruit Loops, but it's got like a sour smell to it. Or fruity, like a fruity type cereal. I low-key want to taste one. Let's get one to taste. They're actually not that bad. It's like the sour is like really light. This actually might be good, y'all. Like, surprisingly, this shit might be good. But we about to do this taste test, bro. Not too much. All right. Okay, in this bowl, we're gonna do the regular candy. Already kinda open one. All right, candy, cereal. Let me see, let me show y'all a little comparison. This is how the cereal look. Hopefully y'all can see that. And this is how the candy look right here. Y'all know how Sour Patches look. Anyway, we about to do this shit, bro. But yeah, anyway, let's get to this shit, bro. I'm about to taste another one. Yeah, the sour is like really light, but they taste a little bit like Fruit Loops. go to milk. Y'all thought I was bullshitting? Y'all already know what's in there. I'm putting milk straight in that shit. Lord, if I gotta go to the hospital. Pray for me, y'all. All right, we gonna go with the cereal first, because I already said it tastes straight. But we about to give this a little taste real quick. It tastes like Fruit Loops with like a hint of sour in it. This ain't something I buy on the regular, for real. I wouldn't buy this on the regular. I don't know if I'll finish this box, but I'll let y'all know. All right. So this is okay. Out of 10, I rate this like maybe a 6. It's straight. All right, for the candy, this is what y'all been waiting for right here. Y'all hear that? Oh shit. Thought I spilled some. Y'all hear that? This shit don't even sound. It don't even sound that good. Yeah, Sourpatch Kids milk. You getting straight to this shit. That shit ain't it, Chief. Nope. I can't really explain it, but that shit is not it right now. I mean, the candy's still good. It's just the milk just make the taste like really weird. Like that shit, it's just two things that should not be combined. I'm gonna just sit that to the side. I'm gonna finish the actual cereal. You can smell, the sour smell is kind of strong once it sit there for a second, but the taste is not that strong. Yeah. I'm honestly not gonna finish this bowl either. They not that good. But yeah. Got one more box of Sour Patches. I might save these for later. I ain't gonna ruin these ones. But yeah, that's about it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Let me go put this milk back for a spoil. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace. All right, what's up, y'all? This just my little feedback from, this shit. I've been sitting here like, 30 minutes? Look what happened to the milk. I was about to get ready to clean everything up. Look what happened to the milk, y'all. It's thick. That's disgusting, bro. But yeah, I just poured everything into this bowl. I'm about to just get ready to clean all this stuff up real quick. Yeah. And then just let that be that, bro. Yeah, that shit wasn't that good. It was okay. I'm probably not gonna finish this, but I still got the milk. I gotta put this shit back upstairs before it spoils. So, yeah, peace out.